The hardest part about weeknight cooking is all that tedious prep. So I've made it easier for you with these recipes. I'm Stacie Billis. Welcome to Dinner in 5 and my Greek style meatballs. Every Dinner in 5 recipe has 4 ingredients plus 1 power ingredient. For these Greek style meatballs, you're gonna need ground beef, pork, or lamb. You can really use whichever one you like. I like using pork or lamb, but really whatever your family loves. Breadcrumbs, I like using panko breadcrumbs. Onion, egg, and our power ingredient, mint. That's what makes these Greek style. To make these, you just want to take all of your ingredients and throw them in a bowl. After all, this is about easy weeknight cooking. Mix them up with your hand and form little balls. Then heat a generous amount of oil in a frying pan. I like using a 12-inch skillet so I have plenty of room to cook them up all at once. And brown the meatballs on all sides. If you find that your heat is actually burning the bottom of the pan and burning the meatballs, you can always add a little bit of liquid at the bottom. Water is fine. Cover them up and let them cook a little bit. Once they're cooked through, you're ready to go. I love serving this with my chopped Greek salad. You don't even need lettuce, but you add some chickpeas in there for some extra protein and a little bit of tzatziki also. You can make it homemade in a snack or buy it store-bought. And there you go, Dinner in 5. If you like the sound of this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. I love hearing from you. And for more quick and easy dinner recipes like this one, be sure to subscribe. A new video comes out every week.